How to fix slow mobile data on your iPhone. So if you're getting slow 4G or 5G on your phone, I'll show you a few ways on how to speed up your mobile data. Now, first thing you need to do is bring up the settings on your phone like this. Scroll down the page and click on General. Now scroll all the way down and select VPN and Device Management. Now if you're currently connected to a VPN, you'll need to go and disconnect from this now. So at the top here, you can see it should say Not Connected. And once you've done this, come back over to the previous window. You can then scroll up to the top and select Software Update and make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS, as these updates may include improvements to your mobile data. Now once you've done this, come back over to the main settings page, click on your profile name at the top of this screen, and then click on iCloud. Now if you scroll down, you'll see iCloud Plus features. And if you have this feature turned on, you'll be able to see Private Relay. Go and click on this. Now, if you currently have the private relay turned on, then make sure this is turned off and disabled. Once you've done this, come back over to the main settings page, scroll down and click on mobile service, and then go and select your SIM card from the list of SIMs. Now come down to data mode and click on this, and make sure allow more data on 5G is turned on and enabled. Once you've followed all of these steps, you can swipe down in the top right hand side of the screen, turn on the AirPlay mode. You'll then need to wait 5 seconds and turn off the AirPlay mode. You can then check to see if your mobile data is now faster. If it's still not working, there's one final solution. So go and open back up the settings on your phone, scroll down and click on General, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now click on Reset and press Reset Network Settings. Now you'll need to enter your iPhone's passcode to go and continue. Once everything's been reset, that should have improved the speed of your mobile data.